Binance in 90 seconds. All right, quick step-by-step on digital currencies and how Binance fits in. Step 1. What even is a digital currency? It's money that lives online. Decentralized, Bitcoin. Decentralized, Ethereum. Running on public blockchains. Centralized, stablecoins. Centralized, CBDCs from governments. Step 2. The core idea, blockchain. A shared spreadsheet everyone can verify. No single person controls it. Transactions locked by consensus and cryptography. Step 3. Wallets. Custodial wallets. Platform holds your keys. Self-custody. You hold the keys. Lose your keys. Lose your coins. Keep backups and use strong security. Step 4. Exchanges. To buy, to sell, to trade. That's where Binance comes in. Step 5. What is Binance? One of the largest exchanges by trading volume. Buy crypto with fiat, trade spot, set limit orders, use advanced charts, staking features, earn products. Step 6. Getting started on Binance. Make an account. Complete KYC. Enable two-factor authentication. Deposit funds. Use a simple buy. Try a spot pair like BTC USDT. Start small, learn the interface, read fees before you click. Step 7. Fees and risks. Trading fees. Withdrawal fees. Network fees. Prices move fast. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Double-check order types so you don't market buy by accident. Step 8. Security basics. Use 2FA, unique passwords. Phishing protections. Withdrawal whitelists. Move long-term holdings to self-custody. Bottom line. Digital currencies are programmable money. Binance is a popular on-ramp and toolkit. Learn the rules, test with small amounts, and stay safe.